Good job. You smart girl. You want to get some cereal with your hand? Pick it up. Good job. You know how to feed yourself now? Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi. Where's the cereal? Where's the toast? Oops. Want some more toast? Or let me put it. Good job pinching. Did you get it? No, it's stuck on your hand, honey. Look. See? Oh, it's sticky. Try the toast. Try the toast. Try that one. Where did it go, Mommy? Where did it go? You want more toast? Let me make some for you. Really? No. Look. There's pieces of toast. You want it? Oh, try again. Good job. Good job. Good job, Lily. Are you feeding yourself? You're a smart girl. Oh, it's on your bib. Oh. You're so smart. Did you just put your bib in your mouth and get your toast? Okay, pick it up. Almost there. There you go. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, it's in your fist this time, baby. Now she can use her other hand to get the toast. Look at that! You smarty! Good job. Mommy's so proud. Yay, Lily!